right now.
Stephanie.
Don't do that, Greg. Don't play the Stephanie game. Do not do it.
But I didn't say anything. I'm telling you the truth here, and I definitely didn't use that word. So I didn't. I would never say that about you ever. So I'm not gonna be.
Bullshit.
I don't care what she said to you. I did not say ugly. I did not say ugly.
She was in the next room, okay? In the other room, you bastard. So don't try and Lance Armstrong your way out of this. Backpedaling like
I barely mentioned you. That's all. In a nice way. It wasn't like some big.
Fuck you.
God, I just want to go to.
I don't care what you want to do, Dick.
Okay, would you stop now?
No, I'm not gonna stop. No, for what? How? What?
I'm trying to explain the situation.
Yeah, you don't need to explain. I've already heard all the explanations, and I don't believe you. You get that?
Yes.
I do not ever believe the shit that comes out of your mouth. Ever.
Yeah, well, that's fucked, okay?
No, you're fucked. That's what's fucked here, mister. You are fucked big time.
Alright, this is just stupid.
No,
I'm not gonna go.
Don't walk out of here when we're fighting, or I swear to God, I'll murder your fish, okay? I will throw them down the toilet, or I'll do whatever it takes, but I will hurt you, and you will not like it. I don't want you to come over here and hold me, okay? But you better stay right there and argue this shit out, or I'm gonna wreck your life a little bit, okay? So.
Run! Man, this is. You're talking nuts.
Oh no.
Seriously.
Don't say that either. I mean, boy, if you're looking for things to get shitty, then okay. But otherwise, I wouldn't go around saying a thing like that. No, not anything about being psycho or that sort of
Stephanie, listen.
No,
Please.
What, please? Please is shit. Okay, please. It's like something you crap out in your pants and are too embarrassed to clean up. I'm not even gonna listen to this.
Okay, then. I don't know what else to say to you about this because.
The truth. I might be willing to overlook your general fuckheadedness if I felt as if the truth was on its way at some point here.
But I'm telling you.
Don't say it if it's not, because I'll know it, okay? And you'll know that. I'll know it, and I will pounce on you like I was death itself if you're lying to me. Seriously, like fucking death.
You know you swear a lot when you're mad.
Fuck you!
I'm just saying.
And I'm saying fuck you! That's all you can do right now? Try and dilute the issue and get by sidetracking us?
I'm not.
Or getting
I
us all
swear I'm not,
around,
but you're
or trying to make
being
me
all.
laugh or any of that shit that you usually do, then fuck you is what I have to say to you.
Fine.